देख पिला माने आज कौन लंग क्वेश्चन कार लाइफ साइकिल ऑफ प्लाज्मोडियम वेवाक्स देख पिला माने पॉइंट गुड़ी को नोट आउट करो। प्लाज्मोडियम वाइवाक्स is the most common type of human infecting malaria fever parasites. It is an intracellular parasite in men living in the herbaceae and liver cells, while extracellular in mosquito in its alimentary canal and salivary gland. Charles Lavren discovered the malaria parasite in human blood in 1880. As host, the life cycle of Plasmodium vivax is very complicated, being digenetic. Digenetic means two. It is completed in two hosts. One is man and another is mosquito. The man रे कौन अच्छी ना asexual cycle is passed in a man two phase. First cell in liver cells is called liver schizogony. It involves multiple fusion forming merozoites at the end. And second phase is completed in herbaceae known as erythrocytic schizogony, which forms gametogenesis at the end. Mosquito sexual cycle is completed in female Anopheles mosquito. It also involves two phases: gametogenesis, which means production and fusion of gametes. Sporogony means formation of sporozoites. Then कौन होची ना asexual life cycle in human. Point 1. The asexual life cycle of Plasmodium vivax is completed in men under the process of schizogony. Second point, when the female Anopheles mosquito bites a man for sucking his blood, it injects a little amount of saliva with thousands of sporozoids in bloodstream. Sporozoids present in infected stage of the parasite. The asexual life cycle is otherwise known as schizogony. तापर फेज गुटे देखमा द पासेस ऑफ asexual life cycle are three phase. ए रे कौन अच्छी ना प्री इरिथ्रोसाइटिक स्काइजोगनी, बी रे कौन अच्छी ना एक्जो इरिथ्रोसाइटिक स्काइजोगनी, इरिथ्रोसाइटिक स्काइजोगनी. Liver schizogony. After entering to the human blood, the sporozoids circulate for about half an hour and then get into liver to invade the hepatic cells. Here they multiply asexually by schizogony. Liver schizogony has two phases. Pre-erythrocytic schizogony. After penetrating into a hepatic cell, each sporozoid becomes a cryptozoid. It grows for a number of days and becomes a spherical and non-pigmental schizoid. It divides by schizogony, forms a large number of cryptomerozoids. Their number varies from thousands to several thousands. They are released when liver cells burst. This is the end of pre-erythrocytic phase. Then exoerythrocytic schizogony. Cryptomerozoids enter fresh liver cells to become metamerozoids. Then metacryptomerozoids undergo schizogony and produce enormous number of metacryptomerozoids. This may be reduced several times and each time new liver cells are infected. These merozoids are further entered into the blood streams and attached with the herbaceae to continue erythrocytic schizogony. Erythrocytic schizogony कौन ना micrometacryptomerozoids after escaping means enter into blood stream invite erythrocytes or herbaceae. This starts the erythrocytic schizogony including flowing stage कौन ना ट्रोपोजॉइड स्टेज. ट्रोपोजेट स्टेज रे कौन है ना इनसाइड आरबीसी the micrometacriptomerozoids becomes rounded and modified into a sporozoid signet ring stage. As the tropozoid grows in size, a central vacuole is developed so that the nucleus is pushed to one side into the peripheral cytoplasm. This stage is called a signet ring stage. At this time, small red cyanophilic granules appear in the cytoplasm of the host corpuscles, which are known as the skyzont stage. The amoeboid tropozoid, after active feeding, become rounded, grow in size, and becomes skyzont. It new undergoes skyzogony to form merozoids. Formation of gametocytes. When the multiplication asexually by schizogony is restricted, the merozoids do not produce with the erythrocytic cycle, but after entering the RBC, increase in size to become rounded gametocytes. The male or microgametocytes is smaller and contain a large diffuse nucleus. Finally, the gametocytes are ingested by the vector in which they continue their further development.